Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. This is my fashion and beauty channel, and for today's video I am going to do a Suva Beauty mystery box unboxing. This is my first time purchasing from them. I always was very intrigued by their Hydra Liners, but I never actually purchased any. I did actually purchase extra with my mystery box purchase. So like I bought the mystery box, which was $50. Oh, sorry, $65 Canadian, 50 US, and you were guaranteed, first they said $150 worth of product, and then because they were adding a mystery item to random boxes, apparently Canadian law, you have to have the same value for all the mystery boxes. So they ended up making the mystery box value $200 across the board, whether you got the mystery item or the special PR item or not. So here's my box right here. It is open because my daughter thought that this was for her. She was expecting a package, my 9-year-old daughter, and opened up my mail. So I didn't look inside, but it is open. So yeah, with the mystery box, you had a choice between 2 palettes to choose from, and then everything else was a mystery. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we got bubble wrap, and the first thing is the palette. So I chose the saffron palette because I had their other palette, which is called the Protege palette. I got that in my Boxy Lux or Boxy Charm already. So, and this one is just gorgeous. So these are the shades. Very warm toned, mattes and foils. And I mean, it's called saffron, which is a spice, and basically all the shades are reflective of that. You've got coriander, saffron, cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, ginger, clove, sasaro, which I've never heard of, and star anise. So let's just swatch a couple. Ooh. So those are just some of the shades. Very, very warm toned, super pretty. I really like that. So that was the palette. I just want to wipe my hands. And if you're liking this makeup look, I am going to be either posting a video before or after this video. Regardless, I will link it at some point, somewhere. I basically filmed like a chit chat, get ready with me, a little life update, talking about something. Oh God, some things. So that's the palette. All right, so everything I got is in here. This was what I got with the mystery box, and then this was the individual item that I ordered, and then the box is empty. So I didn't get the special product. So what they were doing is they don't have a PR program. They don't send PR to any influencers or anything like that. Basically, they give PR to their customers. So if you make a purchase, you might get something extra in your box or in your, order. And I did spy on YouTube and stuff like that, and Instagram. Oh, sorry, Chuck. And the mystery item was a brand new palette that they're launching in March. It's like a rose berry toned. So congrats to everybody who got that, but I was not one of them. Anyways, so this is the item that I actually purchased. This is one of their Hydra Effects liners. This is in the shade Acid Trip, and it is a super neon orange. That's what it looks like. It's super, super neon. So these are basically liquid liners, but they are dry in the pot. And what you have to do is just activate it with a little bit of water, and it becomes liquid, and then it's like ear removable. So let's just test it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in this cap. I'll add it to the cap of this because I've seen on Instagram how to do it. So there's a little bit of water in there. So I've got a brush. Here's my liner. So you dip your brush in the water, then you dip it on a small part of the liner and activate it. And then, wow, it is neon. Oh, you can't even see how neon it is. Oh, the lights. My ring light is just killing it. But it is like, it's neon. It's so bright. Oh, my light is just washing it right out. Anyways, so yeah, that's how you use these. They're super easy. Then you just dump the excess water out, let it dry, and then close it up. Super easy to use. And then when they dry, apparently they don't move. So that's really great. So let's go through everything that I got in my mystery box. So the first thing I got were 3 brushes. This is the 550, which is a packing brush, I guess. And then I got the, oh, I like this one. This is the 460 blending brush. Oh, super soft. And then I got a 350, which is a smaller packing brush. So 3 brushes. Always love to get brushes. I got another Hydra FX liner and a Hydra liner. This is in Bad Mash, which is like a chrome. So it's like a purpley shade. That's what it looks like. Guys, don't mind my cuticles, don't mind my nails. I have a really bad habit. I pick at my cuticles all day long. I don't know what to do to stop it. I really don't. The only thing that saves my cuticles is when I get a full set done of, you know, fake nails. Because then I can't get to them like I can when I don't have nails. But I'm scared to get nails when my cuticles are so fucked up. Like, literally, sorry. They're messed up. Sorry. So anyways, this is a Hydra FX. This is an Aztec. And it's just, oh, I feel like it's going to fall out. It's a bright purple. So that's pretty. So I'm excited to get these. So yeah, 2 of those. Then we've got a liquid chrome, which is their liquid highlight. This is in the shade Trust Fund. Super, super pretty. It comes with a dropper. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I can't. You see it right there? Ooh, it's pretty. I haven't tried a liquid liner on my face. I always use powder. And then the 4 last things that I got in my box are 4 lipsticks. Moisture matte, moisture matte. Okay, so these are all called the moisture matte. They're liquid lipsticks. I've got Unconscious, or The Unconscious. Thunder. Oh my God. This isn't a cute package, like, Marvel or comic or something. Dreamer. And Awakening, which is a light pink. What is happening to my light? Alright, let's swatch these real quick. This is a really pretty nude. Oh my god, okay. So we got a nude shade that I put on my cuticle, on my freaking knuckles. Guys, honestly. This is Dreamer, which is like a mauve pink or a rose pink. I'm doing this with my left hand, guys, and I'm not left-handed, so help me out. Help a girl out. I have so much junk, packaging, garbage to throw away. They smell good. This is the Unconscious. It's a purple. And then we've got Thunder. Ooh, it's a blue. Like a periwinkle, or let's see. This is interesting. Oh yeah, it's blue. Those are the shades of the liquid lipsticks that I got in my mystery box. So I think these are 18 each. So 18 and 18, 36, 72. The palette must be around 40. The Hydra effects are 15. And then this, I have no clue. I don't know. So, I mean, I guess it's around 200. I'm disappointed that I didn't get the mystery palette. Because originally they were giving it to the first 100 people who ordered. But then they changed their mind and decided it was going to be random. Because I ordered the minute it launched. So, yeah. But overall, I'm really happy with my box. I'm happy that I finally got the Hydra Liners. I'm excited to play with them and create some fun looks. And so, okay, so here's a Hydra Liner. They're dry. See, they don't move. They don't budge at all. Nada. Nada, nada, nada. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. And I will have more videos coming very shortly to keep you guys entertained. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.